Morning, sir.
Morning.
All right.
How are we?
Good. Lovely day, lovely day.
Oh, good.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, there's plenty going on. So here we are at our favourite event of the year, Heritage Sprint 2024. This is our third year it's been running. It's just getting better and better. We love it because obviously we get a lot of customers here. We get a lot of people want to know what we do, and the bonus is we bring a bike or two to run up there. So a lot of people know the Iron Banshee. It's been around longer than we'd like, but it is a beast. It's an SV1000 running straight through pipes, cone filters, our own Springer front end, and I can assure you it rips in a straight line here, but getting it around corners anywhere else with the ground clearance is different. But it's a different bike. They won't see another one like it. Jake's got his Ducati 9 something. I'm never sure with Ducatis what they do, because they always sound broken when you start them up. But he rode this last year and won it last year. So back in May he pulled it apart. We put the frame, it's a Ducati frame, but we put the frame in our gas bronze, and he's done all the engine paintwork. That was the first job out of our new paint shop. So if anybody needs any paintwork done, that's the sort of standard we get to. Nice and simple, nice and easy, and that's getting a lot of attention. So it's obviously the girls and Ivy, the dog, are dealing with the merch. Look at her, security. That's another one of ours. That's a 1980 XS 250 tank with graphics. That's another paint job. This is just here so people can see. Plenty of merch. The bike covers, they're going well. I think we're going to have another order for them to get them in. And of course, we've got the hard up chopper stuff. We've got the old Gasoline Alley logo, but really and truly, you want to see the new, which I should probably be wearing. Is the new logo, which I'm not doing very well. So these are all now in play. They're not on the website yet, but I think they will be from next week. So you can pick them up. A bit of a better quality hoodie, or yeah, give us a call. For some reason there's some sort of moped challenge, so Jake's bought his little Honda 50 and I've bought the old shopping moped. I'm not quite sure what we're meant to be doing on them today, but we'll find out in a bit. Yep. And we've only bought one frame this year because, you know, we've got pictures. What we're doing now is we're bringing finished frames, so this is a build. So it's got all the tags on it off of 600 Shadow. So everything, the next job on this will be building it up. So this has already been built up dry. This has been off and it's got our new gas bronze powder coat on it. But everything's there, so we'll just bolt it all together. There's a picture of it, how it will look. It's a bit of a Frisco chop type scene. And yeah, that's sort of pretty much it really. We've just done our first session. I beat Jake. I don't know how much longer that will go on at the weekend. He's a quick boy, but it's good fun. It's a bit of fun. So yeah, if you're not here this year or whenever this goes out, you ought to make yourself available for next year. I'll tell you one thing, we'll definitely be here.
Right, that didn't go well.
I was going to catch it. Oh.
Unfortunately, I didn't film it.
Oh no!
I didn't see it happening, but we saw the aftermath. Oh dear. I would help, but I'm busy. Sorry.
I thought, you know what?
Yeah, so that.
Huh?
Basically the same size as the SR and the SR.
Cathy the 900 this side and the 750 on the far side. Both look very, very similar, so there's not much in it, so just keep the 650 on this side.
I've got no steering wheel. It's alright, it's straight on it, you know,
One of the iconic parts of our time. Done very well in the World Superbike Championship. Baron, did you win? No, you don't know. There's even more of them now. And they're off again. This time. Oh no, what's happened to Fred Barron? What's happened? Wait, what's happened? Kids, I hope it's your one that wins. So yeah, do go over there and support them. Give them a chance to. The guy's just starting his bike up, so yep, he's on top of the van. You can see him up there, and he will be showing you how to balance on the bike. They're absolutely unbelievable. They're very, very good.
All the matter was that I beat him in that last one. I might have, I'm right on the cusp whether I'd slightly jumped, but I don't think there was a loss. Oh bloody hell!
So yeah, the BMX.